Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply clear incognito history in Chrome browser. So let's see. Quite a lot of people does not know that being on incognito browser does not make your browse history totally deleted on Chrome browser. It only make you anonymous to any website you visit. So in this video I will show you on how to simply clear your incognito browse history from your Chrome browser on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do after you have done with whatever you are trying to search through your incognito in Chrome, next thing you need to do is to exit from your Chrome browser. Then you have to simply head over to the Chrome icon on your phone. What you need to do is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pop up. Then click on app info. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on storage and cache. Then the next thing you need to do, you can see right here I have 41.71 megabyte cache. This is depends on how long you have been browse consistently with your incognito mode. So what you need to do is to come down below right here, click on clear cache. As you can see, we have cleared the cache. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on clear storage. Then it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on manage. Then it's take you right here. Then from here, you can also manually delete some of the websites you visit in your incognito history. For instance, I'm going to simply select on this particular website that I visit in my incognito history. This is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this trash bin icon and delete this site data. This will delete all data and cookies stored by this particular website. You may be signed out of the site. Any offline data will be deleted. Simply click on delete, and the next thing you want to do is to simply click on delete data and reset permission. Then come down below right here, click on delete and reset. So you can go on and review some of the websites you visit during your incognito history in browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear incognito history in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.